myself Dhaval Dhaneja. My company name is MTech System. We are based in Baroda, Gujarat. We have in business of industrial automation. We provide the services of product trading, programming services and projects with panel development and all that. And that our products are PLC, HMI, drives, SCADA system, servo system and process instrument. We also provide automation control panel which will be widely used for all the machines and plants. We provide the brands like Husin and Bosch Rexroth. We are in this automation field since more than 7 years, and we are working with many reputed companies like Sun Pharma, Chidus, Intas, Glenmark, Equilife, and many engineering companies and many more. We are catering with pharma industry, food processing industry, engineering industry, ceramic industry, and chemical industry for that automation purpose. We have Pan India services with us. Sir, when we talk about the automation, it's not a one-time job. We are providing the services. We are selling only product. We are selling our trust also. At MTech System, we are always ready to introduce the new product in the market. Currently, we in Engiexpo, we are introducing the two new products, two new brands, Husin and Bosch Rexroth. Husin PLCs come with 3-year warranty and the same software used in Siemens. We can replace the Siemens hardware with Husin hardware, and that will be the very 40% less cost compared to Siemens product. There are many industry leader and industry owner will visit the Engiexpo. That's why we are participating in the Engiexpo.